Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the current state so you can restore if needed. Once done, set a temporary static IP on your workstation to avoid losing access. Next, log into the target device using SSH, Serial Console, or the web interface and export the running configuration to a backup file. Make sure to note the interface names and current routes. These values are what you will change deliberately in the next steps. You now change the interface IP and subnet mask exactly where required, applying sitter notation for clarity. Once applied, update or add static routes so traffic uses the correct gateway, and verify that the default route points to the intended exit. Make sure DNS entries are updated so names resolve immediately, and adjust firewall rules to allow management traffic such as SSH and ICMP. After each change, test reachability from your workstation with ping and traceroute to confirm progress. You finish by saving and committing the new configuration, and if required, perform a controlled reboot of the device. Once it comes back, run comprehensive tests, ping key hosts, traceroute problematic paths, and resolve DNS names to ensure services are reachable. Make sure to document every change with timestamps and store the backup securely. If connectivity fails, the one key troubleshooting tip is to roll back to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.